I knew it, bro. I literally knew it. What is up? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I just started the car. The garage was spending a lot like 85, and I was like, please do not tell me it's gonna be leaking again. I'm about to go wash it and go to the car meet. Any guesses what this is? That's right, you guessed it. E85. We are leaking E85 for like the 30th time on this car, bro. Oh my gosh. Ah, bro. I knew it, bro, because the other day I had to have driven it like this. I was driving like this. Yeah, you see? Now it's from the front. I know I drove like this because I was driving the other day and I don't know where the cabin started stinking like 85. Now I already have a minor E85 leak. So I thought it was that. So how can I explain it to you guys really quick? When I fill up the car with E85, it'll leak a little bit out of the tank. Just because I don't even know why the f it does it, but it does. Okay, so it's kind of normal whenever I fill up, whatever. I was driving and it felt like it stank like E85 like crazy. And I was like, bro, am I leaking? I was like, nah, it's fine. I drove it to the gym. Thank God I made it back home. And right now, when I started it, I felt like it stank like 85 again. I was like, bro, let me move it. Let me look under the car. And sure enough, you guys can see here, and as you guys see all over there, it is leaking 85 again, bro, again. This week has not been a great week for me. And you guys, as you guys read by the title of the video, you guys know exactly why this hasn't been a great week for me. And you guys are going to know exactly why in a second. But damn, bro, first the title of the video, and now this. What a fail, bro. I was about to go wash this thing, go to the meet with the homie Jimmy. But thank God, I always thank God when stuff like this happens, because it obviously happens for a reason. If I would have just ignored that smell because of how it leaks already as it is, I could have driven on the way to the meet. The car could have caught on fire, bro. It's the reality of it. So I thank God. I thank God always whenever he lets me see things like this before a catastrophe happens, you know what I mean? So, I mean, the car's obviously running, but it is going to be down until I tow it to the shop. I had to go to the shop anyways. I guess good thing I didn't go, because I would have been pissed if I would have went, brought the car back, and this would have happened. So, and that's exactly why I've been driving this car more often, because the longer you let E85 sit, the more likely it is to like mess up the lines. So I'm like, oh, let me drive it like, I don't know, like 3 times a week, and it still happens. So, and these are good lines, bro. Don't think I have cheap ass lines. No, these are good quality fuel lines. At least I think that one. I know the last one that my tuner swapped, I know those are really good quality fuel lines. I'm pretty sure that's the exact same one that's leaking, or it might be the other one. But what I'm trying to get to is most of the lines are good quality lines, and I'm assuming, actually now that I'm thinking about it, that might not be the top quality ones. Never mind, whatever, bro. I'm blabbering off. Oh my god, look at the amount it leaked in the 2 minutes it was sitting here. And you guys know fuel evaporates quick, so that puddle was a lot bigger than it looks like. Let's see if it's still leaking right now. Yup, it is. Damn. Like I said, I'm always grateful and thankful to see these type of things here at my house. That's always a blessing in disguise, bro. Like I said, be in the freeway driving. It would not be cool to be on the freeway driving at 80 miles an hour, and you know, like a catastrophe could happen. So I thank God. I mean, it sucks because now I gotta tow it again, right? I gotta tow it to the shop, but it is what it is. Well, obviously I won't be going to the car meet anymore, but I'm still gonna bring you guys this video to show you guys why this week has been not a bad week, I guess, but unfortunate week. I was supposed to surprise you guys with the new car this week. One of my dream cars, perfect everything, and it didn't end up happening. So I'll get into it right now. All right, guys, it is now a few hours later from the last clip you guys just saw, and it is time to address what the title of this video really means. So, as you guys know, I'm trying to buy a car. I've been trying to buy a car for months now. A completely exhausting experience, honestly. These past few weeks have been shitty, and that whole trying to buy a car thing. And what sucks is that it's not like, oh, I don't have the funds, or like I wasn't approved, or this and that. It just sucks the way shit has gone, like I haven't had like any luck, bro. Like I've been having like bad luck trying to get this new car. So I want to say like 2 weeks ago now, I found my dream BMW. Not my dream BMW, but it was a very, very, very clean F80 M3. I went to go see it. The car was extremely clean, bro. It was immaculate. It even had PPF already. It was super clean. I'll insert pictures right here. So long story short, I liked the car. We went on to financing. The payment was a little too high for my liking, so I was negotiating back and forth. He ended up going down, I think, 30 bucks from the original payment, then another 20, and then I ended up walking out. I was like, you know what, nah, bro, this is too much for this car, blah, blah, blah. And the guy was already being kind of weird, bro. The salesman was kind of an asshole, I'm not gonna lie. He got kind of upset that we walked out, whatever. He calls me the next morning, hey, like, I got a better payment for you. It's X amount. So for those of you guys that I bought a car, you guys know that with car salesmen, you gotta negotiate your ass off, because at the end of the day, if they want to sell the car, they'll make a crazy deal happen. So the payment wasn't too bad, but it was still not what I wanted. I ended up telling him, nah, bro, like, we're still not there. Like work a little bit harder and we'll go buy the car like right now, type thing. He ended up getting mad. He ended up saying, oh, I'm not gonna waste my time with you, blah, 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 blah. Like this, like, he was just talking crazy, bro. So that's like already like a red flag. In any job, you gotta be very professional. I feel like that guy like took it personal and like started like kind of talking shit. Whatever. I hung up the phone. I was thinking, hey, he's gonna call me back in an hour. I got the payment you want. Come get the car, okay? He never calls me, and I checked the website later, and it's sold. So that's my fault. The payment wasn't too bad, but it was a little higher than I wanted it to be. I'm gonna be honest. Not that I can't afford it, but I just don't want to pay that much for that specific car. But now after it happens, I feel like, damn, I should have just done it. Could have refinanced the car, whatever. But I mean, it is what it is. That car still hurts me till this day, bro. It hurts me till this day. That car was perfect, bro. I fell in love with that car. Fast forward a week later, now a couple of days ago, this past Friday, I was gonna go look at a 2023 BMW M340i. I wasn't really in the market for an M340i, but this car was immaculate as well. One owner, 15,000 miles, and it was a 2023. I'll insert like a little clip right here. Super clean. Everything was good. My appointment was at 6 p.m. At 4:30, he calls me and says, hey, someone's here looking at the car. They might buy it. I'll keep you posted. Like 30 minutes later, hey, bro, they're in financing. I think the car's sold. I was like, oh, bummer, whatever. I'm not gonna get the car. But then he texted me again, like 5 minutes later, hey, bro, never mind, they canceled it. You're good to come. I was like, all right, cool. I'll start grabbing my stuff. And he texts me again, hey, bro, sorry, it was a misunderstanding. Car sold. Now you guys have an idea of what I mean by I haven't been having luck, bro. More than anything, I wanted to bring you guys this video so you guys can see I'm trying to buy a car. I'm not clickbaiting. I'm not like bluffing. I'm trying to buy a car, and it just, luck has not been on my side, bro. Luck has not been on my side. But everything happens for a reason. I've been praying to God that the car that's for me, may it pop up and may the process be smooth. And yeah, I gotta just stay positive. I'm still sad about that specific F80 M3 though, till this day when it's been like 2 weeks already. But it is what it is. I can't do anything about it. So yeah, if anybody's sending a clean F80 M3, let me know. But it sucks because I feel like that deal with the F80 M3 could have been made. Just that the salesman was an asshole, bro. He was weird, bro. It's like he wanted it done his way, and at that moment, and that's not how it works, bro. But hey, bro, everything happens for a reason. But yeah, guys, sorry to bring you guys another boring video with no car update. I mean, I did want to bring you guys this video, like I said, just so you guys can see I'm trying, and for you guys to stay tuned. Hopefully the next video will actually be me picking up a car. I also need to take the Z to the shop. As you guys seen by earlier in the video, it's leaking 85, so I cannot drive that car, which sucks. With that being said, sorry for the super boring video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, which probably you didn't because it was boring. I was just talking. But if you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be there whenever I post, and I'll catch you guys on the next one with hopefully a new car on the channel. Peace out.